Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 4 controller is simply not connecting or working at the moment. Now, you want to grab a USB cable to micro USB cable and plug in your controller. Then once it's plugged in, turn your controller around and there's going to be a small reset hole right here that you want to place like a small object, like a toothpick in, and just hold this down and this will turn off and disconnect the controller. Now, when the controller is turned off and reset, you want to hold down the power button on the PS4 itself. So let's hold this down. We will hear one beep initially, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later, we will hear another beep. And this will completely turn off our PlayStation 4. And there will be no light on the light bar right here. Now, wait about a minute to 2 minutes when it completely turns off. Just allow some power to dissipate. And you could always try unplugging this from the wall outlet. Now, we have our PlayStation 4 controller plugged in. What we simply want to do is press the PlayStation button on the controller itself to turn on the PlayStation 4 console. So let's press this, and it should turn on the PS4. And your controller should be connected. So if this doesn't work, try completely unplugging it from the wall outlet, and then plug it back in. Once your controller is turned on, you can simply unplug it and it will stay connected wirelessly and you should be good to go. So try out this method. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.